Does the itching ever stop?
No. Question.
How can I find my virginity again?
The
medical
solution
is
to
sew
it
up.
Next
Question.
Help! I just keep repeating myself. I just keep repeating myself. I just keep repeating myself.
Sorry. One more time. Next
Question.
Is it okay if my cat touched me in my special place?
Did
it
feel
nice?
If
so,
then
carry
on.
Next
question.
I'm going out with this fit girl tomorrow who may have Ebola. Should I?
No.
No.
Definitely
not.
Leave
her
forever.
Next
question.
Is it normal to practice snogging on a lemon?
What's
wrong
with
a
lemon?
I
love
lemons.
Next
question.
Why does my son insist on eating a whole pack of marshmallows all at once?
There's
a
solution
for
that.
Take
your
son
and
give
him
marsh
or
a
mellow
and
next
question.
My next door neighbour's a paedophile. Should I move house?
How
bad
is
his
paedophilia?
If
it's
not
too
bad,
then
join
him.
Next
Question.
Can using a duck quacker sober ever be okay?
What?
I
have
never
heard
of
that
before.
Honestly.
Serious?
Sorry.
Next
Session.
My head teacher got me a present. What should I do?
What
did
he
get
you?
If
it's
something
naughty,
then
keep
it.
If
you
like
it,
then
use
it.
You'll
love
it.
Next
question. I have one testicle bigger than the other. Is that normal?
Which
testicle
is
bigger
than
the
other?
Because
if
it's
the
right,
then
you're
screwed.
Next
question.
What is this other hole for?
Exit
only.
Next
question.
When does this get funny?
Fuck
you.
Last
question.
How do I get rid of the spots on my bum?
push
them
back
to
hell. Think
of
England.